You know what I see? I see a ridiculously modified Solo. That's what I see. That gimbal weighs 100 grams. That's it. It's actually 98 grams, and that is a Hero 7 Black on there, connected. And if you take a look, watch the hand. Boom. Tilt controls. Now I can record in 4K at 60 frames per second with hyper stabilization active. Like I said, I was going to show you guys what it looked like after the installation. And if you look over here, you will see that I have video feed from it. So there's that, and on top of that, if I click right here, I also have video feed from this camera right here coming through. So there you go. So I've got video feed from both of them now. I have the ribbon cable tied in, and then my signal wire right here goes up and gets soldered into the top to pin 14, and then I did the RC6 pass through because I'm running the original cube, so I still have tilt controls and fully functional, full acro search and rescue with full stabilization. Bam! Third-party gimbal that weighs 100 grams. That is a $44 gimbal. $44, you guys. Seriously. That's why I said you're limiting yourself if you're still using the original Solo gimbal. You're so limited. With this, you have the ability to choose your camera. As long as it has an HDMI port that you can plug into, you can do a patch through RC6 still. And if you're running green Solo or the green or orange cube, I believe there's another way to do it. I'll have to, somebody shared it with me. I haven't had to deal with that yet because I don't have Open Solo installed. I just haven't found a reason for it yet. But there you go, man. This is a fully functional acro version of a Solo with third-party gimbal. I mean, this thing is rigged. It is rigged to the max. I told you, man, in the background I've been doing some crazy stuff. So there you go. Bam.